I get it, bro. You want a handsome face, and I'm gonna hook it up. You do this on a daily basis, I promise you, you'll get your handsome face. Start by chewing gum. Your face has facial muscles like every other part of your body. If you want to build these up, look, you're not going to have a crazy super chin like Superman, but you can tighten up these muscles to give it a little bit more definition. So if you want to do that, chew gum on a regular basis. And there's even gum you can look up online, I think Amazon has it, that's sturdier. It's purposely harder, and it's meant for that specific purpose of strengthening your jaw muscles. 2, wear glasses 24/7, all the time. Out of all the tricks that I'm going to talk about in this video, this single-handedly is the best one. I've always told you, it makes you more stylish. It structures your face. It hides imperfections. The problem is, you can only wear them outdoors when it's sunny. But when it's nighttime or when you're indoors, you either have to swap to your blue light, or if you don't have blue light, you just have to take them off. So now you're stuck with the face you got. Until today. Until today, boys. Look, we've been sold out of Jade Blacks, of all the popular glasses for, I don't even know how long. Go to the site, most of it's gone. Today, boys, we just released our newly designed, newly engineered glasses. Check this out, right? So you're looking good, you're feeling good, you're hiding imperfections. Oh crap, now you're indoors. Boom, blue light blocking. So you can't tell me these don't look sick. These are polarized glasses. These are blue light blocking glasses. So when you're indoors, you're good, right? Boom, this you can put it in your pocket, you can put it in your bag, whatever you want. Oh, you step out outdoors, boom, that's it. That's it. Yo, come on. You can't tell me these are sick. Well, we just dropped these in 5 new colors. So this comes in 2 colors, and we have a second, more squared off design that comes in 3 colors. Boys, you can't tell me these are sick. Now, you gotta understand, these are for style purposes. I showed these to pro members. They like these the most because we had 2 samples. This was our other one that we've been engineering, which are our foldable glasses. So these you can fold all the way. We're not producing this, right? So pro members, we discussed it with our pro members. They said, you know what? These could be a little bit too dangerous, et cetera, et cetera. I see where they're coming from, but they agreed that these were the best ones. Now, you do have to understand, and I have to clarify, these aren't sports glasses. You're not going to use this to play baseball or do any physical. These are style frames, right? These are for leisure purposes. When you're looking good, you're going out, boom. Now you're working, now you're indoors, etc. The point of this is, boys, if you want some of our best glasses we've ever done, this has to be the best of the best. This is hands down my favorite pair of glasses we have engineered. We just dropped them today. 5 new pairs. You can check them all out. So I'm going to do an offer for you, though. You can buy 1 pair, which is great, right? You'll get them at full price. But if you buy all 5, okay, what can I give you? What can I give you? I know. You're going to get our new traveling case. So I have a lot of glasses. I was trying to figure out how do we organize them. So we created a new Jade Black product. It's a traveling case where you can carry, it's not only for storage at home, where you can keep them nice stored and make sure that they don't get scratched. You can use them to travel if you use it to travel as well. And you can store up to 6 frames. If you buy all 5 pairs, I'm going to gift you this leather traveling case that we're selling on our site for $60, completely free today. You have to understand, boys. You have to understand, we're sold out of almost everything. Christmas is around the corner. If I were you, I'd be picking these up, yo. This is the gift that everybody wants, especially for those people you don't know what to gift them. You gift them these, that's a home run. If you guys want to check out our new designs, it'll be linked down below. 3, nourish the skin. You see, if you want to look better, you have to make sure your skin is resilient. You want to make sure that your skin's always tight. And to do this, you have to keep it moisturized. Most guys don't start moisturizing until they're 40 and they want to get rid of wrinkles. Do it now that we're in our 20s. Do it now that we're young. When you're doing it now that your skin's young and you start moisturizing on a daily basis, you are reinforcing it. Most guys, because they're not moisturizing, your skin's not dried out, it starts losing its collagen and elasticity, and now your face starts to look droopy, and that's making it look worse. 4, groom all facial hair. There's 3 areas of your face that you need to start grooming because you need to understand it manipulates how your face looks. Your eyebrows, your lineup, and your beard. These 3 areas, You go to a good barber and you tell him to line you up. When you keep it lined up, what he's basically doing is making your face look as structured as possible. Even if you have asymmetries, a good barber will make sure you look lined up both on your beard, on your lineup, and more importantly, on your eyebrows. You get these 3 done, you'll give your face more structure. Number 5, use whitening strips. A lot of times, attractiveness is not even structure. It's about how you look, like your skin, your teeth. Your teeth are equally as important. If you have a nice, hygienic smile that looks bright and looks white, it looks welcoming, it looks friendly, I promise you, you will be more attractive. And yes, brushing your teeth, having oral hygiene, this is all important, but you have to go that extra step. Use whitening strips. And what I found, the best thing to do, right before you step into the shower, put on a pair of whitening strips, do it at least once a week, and as you're showering, it's cleaning, because it's kind of annoying. Then you take it off in the shower, you rinse off, that's it, you're good to go. Do that once a week, you'll have that bright smile. Finally, 6, upgrade your lifestyle. I want you to eat better, that way you don't get fat. I want you to be consistent in the gym so you always look shredded, and I want you to sleep more. You change your lifestyle to follow those 3 habits, overall, your well-being will shoot out the roof, but more importantly, your skin, how you feel, how energetic, how charismatic, how confident you are will all increase as well, and that's what I want, because overall, it doesn't matter your face genetics. If you are dead inside, in other words, you're always beat up, you're always beating yourself down, you feel inadequate all the time, it doesn't matter what you do, you're not going to radiate that. I need you to change your lifestyle so you radiate that handsomeness, you radiate that confidence.